Hi, Mike Killalea with drillingcontractor.org, here today at the 2018 SPE Annual Technical Conference and Exhibition in beautiful downtown Dallas. I have the pleasure of being here today with Paul Bond. Mr. Bond is Product Line Management for Rotary Steerable Systems with Halliburton. Paul, thanks a lot for taking the time to visit with us today.
Thank you very much.
So Paul, could you tell us, our audience, a little bit about rotary steerable systems? What is their value overall to the industry, and what do they really provide in terms of service that other systems don't?
Rotary steerable systems have been out around 20 years now, and generally a rotary steerable system means you can actually steer a well whilst rotating all the time. This generally gives a better wellbore quality and also faster drilling.
And, as you say, it's been around for quite a while. Operators kind of used to complain about cost and such, but there were only a couple players in this business. And here at ATCE, we're seeing, a renaissance of new technologies, which is great in our industry. What's the driver for that?
The driver is basically the challenges that our customers have today to drive down their costs by drilling longer wells, more complex wells. So this is a perfect arena for rotary steerables to make a renaissance.
Can you give me some specifics of how iCruise might differ from some of the other services and products on the market?
Yeah, the rotary steerables, within Halliburton, we've had a GeoPilot system, which has been our rotary steerable system for the last 18 years. Mm-hmm. It's worked very well globally in a lot of applications. In 2016, we looked at what technology was available today and where we could use the new technology. Things have come a long way since 1999. If you look at the phone that you're carrying today and look what you're carrying back then, it's significantly changed. So we wanted to see what we could do with the technology that was out there today to move the needle on rotary steerables. So we came out with the iCruise, which is a fully rotating push-the-bit system. It's got a very solid, relatively simple exterior design, which means that we can put a lot of weight and RPM down to really drive our drilling speeds. But what's really important about the iCruise is the amount of processing power we've put into the system, which means that while we're drilling very fast, we have a very steerable system, so we can actually match these complex trajectories that our customers are asking us to do today.
One of the things that came out earlier, and this goes to some of the other important pursuits in our industry today, is that the iCruise is designed, if I understood it right, specifically with an eye towards rig and drilling automation. Can you give a little bit more information about that, about the sensor technology and how this can play into a fully automated system?
Yeah, we're very focused on automation, as is the whole industry today, and the iCruise is actually built for automation. We have significant amount of sensor packages within the tool. We have multiple measurements of surveys and tool face within the tool. What we're doing and before we even really cut metal on the iCruise, we developed a digital twin, which is a digital representation of the tool that we could actually steer in the digital space to make sure that it would work. We've actually used that digital twin associated with the sensor packages we have within the tool and also a well plan. And now effectively we have what we call a drilling advisor, which will actually steer the well. We'll send commands down to the tool to steer the well to a plan. And from that we want to get predictable, repeatable results from the overall system. On top of that, we've got significant amount of vibration sensors in the tool, and we have a surface vibration drilling advisor as well. And with that, we can really find the sweet spots of drilling parameters that we can drill fast, but without damaging the tools based on the information that's coming up from the tool.
Thanks very much, Paul. We appreciate it. It's a fascinating product, and we look forward to hearing more about it later on, perhaps at the SPE IDC Drilling Conference in Amsterdam, or rather The Hague, next March. So thanks to all of you for tuning in. Watch for more on drillingcontractor.org. Bye.